What is up, you guys? It's your favorite cutie Mel back again on my Soul Pod channel to give you guys yet another video, and today is time for another Amazon product review. So my latest purchase was it's like a magnet or a wall planner. I have a lot of things going on in my schedule now, so I needed to get something that was kind of more spacious than, like, you know, the typical flip calendar that I have, because it just looks very like hectic and stuff. So I got this one. The brand is Freedom Mastery. I didn't even realize that it was a law of attraction magnet dry erase board. I didn't even know that. I just thought it was like just a regular dry erase board, but I am manifesting a lot right now. I like the packaging. On the back it says be the energy you want to attract. So I just feel like it's very cool. So let's unbox it and I'll give you guys my first thoughts about it. Okay, so first thing I pulled out was, you know, it comes with 5 different markers, dry erase markers. And next we have the magnet board. Okay, so far it looks like there's 2 different things in here. Let's open it up and check it out. So first thing, this is a task or things to buy, delegate. This is actually perfect. I actually manifested this because I was thinking about getting something for the fridge, so that we can delegate like house duties and people can know like what needs to be done where, and you know, so this is definitely going in the fridge. And this is good, you know, if we're missing something, people can just add like, oh, I'm missing milk, we need to buy milk, and then everyone can just be more aware and we can know what needs to be bought for the kitchen. So that's cool. I think this was extra because I didn't even see this on there. And then this is the main board. So let's just go over the sections. And I'm just getting off, like, so I'm like a little frazzled. My hair isn't done perfect or anything like that, but it's whatever. This is real light. Okay, so this month's main goal, the reward, a new habit to master. I like that. I didn't even get to see this. So then obviously we have the calendar. You can fill in the dates, and this week's goal, different week goals, and then other goals for the month, actions, steps to take, ideas, notes, victories, mind map, which is nice. And this is a positive habit tracker, which is really nice. So I think this would be good for my Spanish. I'm learning Spanish on Duolingo, and right now I have like a 9-day streak, but I think that it's going to be even cooler if I use this board and I can see when I get to almost 30 days. So that's cool. And also I want to put yoga on here because ever since I got busy, haven't been able to do that as much, but if I put it on here, I feel like I'll be more motivated to like make it to a certain amount of classes. So it's super cool. I believe it said that it was supposed to come with a wall hanger as well. So let's check out this box to see if there's anything in here besides these pins. So sounds like there is, but maybe not. Okay, so looks like the only thing in here was these pins, which is kind of sad because I'm going to need to get something to hang this up. Hopefully, I don't know. I'm going to see where it looks best, but I want to keep this as my personal calendar in my room. So if you do buy this, I'll put the link down below. Make sure to get yourself like the hangers, the suction cup hangers. It said that it was supposed to come with some, or maybe I just saw the suggestions and thought that it came with it. But if you want to hang this on your wall and you're purchasing this, make sure to purchase that. Otherwise, these are both magnets that you guys can put on your fridge or any magnetic surfaces. All right, so I would say, let me think, how much was this? I think I only paid, I'll put it down below how much I paid for it, but I think it was worth the money. It wasn't too much. Comes with the markers and I like the actual things that you can fill in on here. Very great for manifestation and planning, which I was very heavy on when I first created this channel. So if you have a lot of goals that you're trying to attain, and positive new habits that you want to track so you can keep motivated to do your best with those, definitely check this out. Okay, so that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.